So everybody wants to know how to generate multiple sources of income. I figured out a way to generate 8 streams of revenue for myself. And I'm gonna tell you the key is to get great at one thing and then just start branching that one thing off into different streams, all right? But let's jump right into it.
Everybody eats. Everybody eats.
All right, so what's up, y'all? I'm AJ Simmons of AJSimmonsOnline.com, and I make sure that everybody eats, all right? Because I want to eat, but I also want to make sure that everybody else got a chance to eat too, right? So in this video, I want to show y'all real quick how I created 8 revenue streams, all right? And if you make it to the end, I'll show you the 9th way too that I secretly started pulling off. But let's get right into it, right? So the first thing that I've done to ensure that I started making 8 revenue streams is, number one, I bought into a Jam Pro franchise, all right? So I don't know if y'all can read that, but y'all gonna see this is gonna be sloppy, but you're gonna get the point, all right? So I bought into a Jam Pro franchise, and that became my expertise. Okay, so you don't have to start with a cleaning franchise. You can start with anything you want to start with. You can start with just doing hair out your house. You can just start with cooking dinners and selling them, or cooking breakfast trays and selling them. Somebody please cook breakfast trays and deliver them, because I need that every Saturday morning, right? I hate getting up cooking in the morning. But anyway, whatever it is, whatever you want to be an expert in, start off with that right there in the middle, okay? That's the very first thing. The next thing that I did was I got into YouTube videos, right? So I started doing this channel right here. And so what that did was that generated another income stream for me. How? Because YouTube pays me from the advertisements that I get, okay? So every time y'all watch my videos, you're going to notice that an ad pops up somewhere on that video. And then every time I get those ads play, you guys see them and I get paid, okay? And that's through Google AdSense, all right? If you hear background noises, I do have kids. I have a family. I'm a family man. So my kid is in the other room watching TV, but I can't wait around on making my videos. I got to make them when I can, how I can. So bear with me, all right? Anyway, so that's the second way is YouTube, all right? So that's 2 income streams based off of this one thing that I started off with. And I just got up here, started sharing my expertise in cleaning franchises and entrepreneurship, et cetera, and went from there, right? The next thing I did was, hey, you know what? I'm getting a decent following on YouTube. I know a lot of information that a lot of people don't seem to know. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a ebook, right? So that's an EB. It's going to be an EB because I can't draw on this computer. So that's an ebook, right? So I got on Amazon. Well, actually, I got on Microsoft Word first. Typed it all up, put it in a nice format, created a cover for the book, and published it on Amazon, right? And what they call the KBP program. What is it, the KDP or something like that? But anyway, I got on Amazon, published the book, and now I got an ebook available for sale online. That became my 3rd stream of income, all right? Now, you got to diversify, right? That's what they say. And what's the best thing to diversify with is real estate, right? So I got into real estate, not necessarily into real estate, but I got a rental property. So I bought a single family and I turned it into a rental property. I stayed in it for 1 year because FHA requires you to stay in that home for 1 year. And then I turned it into a rental property. Before I bought the house, I knew I was going to turn to a rental property. So before I bought it, I made sure that it had equity in the home. And I made sure that I could get it cheap enough where the mortgage would be so low that I could rent it out for a lot higher than what the actual mortgage was. So I make a cash flow on that every month as well. So that's 4 different income streams right there, okay? Then I went back to my source. I said, all right, now what can I create more revenue? Then I found out about something called Shopify, right? So that's supposed to be an S and an H. Shopify, right? And so what Shopify is basically is an easy way to get into e-commerce, set up your store online and start selling products. Well, I don't have any products. And so if you don't have a product to sell, one thing that you can do, and then what I mean is physical products, then one thing that you can do is either A, start drop shipping, which means that you sell somebody else's product and then you ship that product to your customer. That's one thing you can do. Another thing you can do is what I did is create digital products based around what your information, the very root thing that you do. So that's what I did was I created digital products. And then the other third thing, which I'm going to get into here soon because I also implemented that, is do affiliate sales. Okay, so you can start selling other people's products, but instead of shipping it to the people yourself, you just link people to that person's website, and then that person will still do all the information. They just pay you a commission, right? But anyway, so that became my 5th stream of income. All right, was was the Shopify store, right? So if you want to check that out and you interested in getting that, go to ajsimmonsonline.com. That is my Shopify store, and just get some informational product just like this video here that go a little bit more in detail, actually a lot more in detail, because I'm charging for, right? And they'll teach you more things just like this, all right? Then I said, you know what? I'm not done. So what happened was I actually got a call just based off of my YouTube videos and this information from my Jam Pro franchise, and I was offered a job, right? A job down in Jacksonville, Florida, right? And I became the ops manager for Jam Pro. So now I have a cleaning franchise in Virginia, but then I also have a job in Jacksonville where I'm the operations manager, where I teach other franchise owners, right? This is the root thing, how to do what I did with my franchise, which is grow it and be successful with it, right? And so now that's my, what is that? What number are we on anyway? Number 6, right? So that's the 6th stream of income. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 income streams, all generating from this one root thing, which is knowing something about one main thing, becoming great at one thing, and then you create branches from it, right? So then I got that job, all right? So by the way, if you want to buy a franchise and you in the Jacksonville area, come see me. Let's get you set up, and then I can show you, talk to you, and we can see if this opportunity might be right for you, right? All right. Then the 7th thing I did was, because I had quit that job when I first came and got it. Long story short, I quit it. Then I went back, et cetera, right? But during that stint, when I quit that job when I was down here in Florida, I had to make another income stream to make sure that, I didn't want to fall under. I didn't want to go broke again, because I had went broke again at one point when I first started my business. Because as a startup business, they get rough as hell, right? So I said, you know what, I'm not gonna go broke again. So what did I do? I created the Mastermind group. The Everybody's Mastermind group, where I allow people to join a private Facebook group, and they get all of the products from this Shopify store included in their membership, right? So all of the products included in this Shopify store, along with not one-on-one, but basically, well, actually, it is one-on-one, because I give them my phone number when they're in the group as well. But they get advice from me, they get mentoring from the other members in the group, and then we also, nonstop content. If you ask me a question in the group, I'm either going to answer you directly in the comment, I'm going to go live in the group, or we'll probably just talk on the phone or text on the phone, or however you want to do it, right? So anyway, that Mastermind group is another stream of income where people pay me $97 down to get in, and what that $97 covers is the immediate products that you get from the Shopify store, and then it's $15 a month, right? And that's what you get with that Mastermind group, and that $15 a month is only valid for 1 year. After that first year, it's paid off, right? So that's my 7th stream of income as a Mastermind group. So that creates another recurring revenue stream for me, right? And then the eighth way that I generate cash is Amazon. Again, except for this time is an Amazon affiliate. Okay, so I became an Amazon affiliate. So now I sell janitorial supplies on this site, right? On AJ Simmons Online. But instead, I don't drop ship them, and they're not my products. What I do is I do affiliate sales. So instead, when the person clicks on the product that they want, it takes them straight to Amazon. And then when they go to Amazon and they buy that product, guess who gets paid? Me. I get a commission for them going through my site to get their product. Okay, so if you guys want to get some cleaning products and you want to support me in the process, make sure you go through my website first and then go to Amazon, so you can get that product, right? All right, so those are the 8 ways, right? So if you found this interesting and you want to go deeper into how I built the Shopify store, et cetera, right? Because I actually covered this in a course called, where is it? Is a how to make an extra $1,000 a month online, right? And I have a course on my website. Actually, I'll go to it and show you guys. Where is it? Right here. This course right here. Just go to my website, AJ Simmons Online, and you can get this course for $37, okay? So if you want to learn more detailed information about what I just showed you right here, it's all in that course, okay? This is actually kind of like a mini version of that course, okay? So that's the ways that I generate 8 income revenue streams. And by the way, the link to that course is in the comments of this video, so make sure you go check that out, all right? And then I told you that if you made it to the end, that I would show you a bonus revenue stream that I just created, which is called if I can find my mouse, which is called Toys R Us 2, right? So Toys R Us 2. And that's my website, www.toysrus2.com, where I'm actually doing drop shipping with Shopify. Okay. So I buy products from another website and then I resell them at a retail price on my site. Okay. So that's a ninth way that I create revenue. And with drop shipping, it's so good because you don't necessarily have to have cash up front if you know what you're doing. All right. So those are the 9 ways really that I generate revenue. I don't necessarily count this store right here just yet because it's not necessarily bringing in regular revenue yet. I'm still growing, I'm still playing with it, and I'm still learning with it, right? So I don't like to count it. And also, when I do make money, I try to reinvest it back into the store. Those are the ways that I generate 8 revenue streams. Hopefully, this was able to help you. And if you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to this channel because more content will definitely be coming out just like this. And then also hit the like button if you liked it. And then tell at least one person about this video. If you learned something in this video, you feel like you like what you see, share it, okay? Tell at least one person about this video. Tell them come see AJ Simmons. Everybody eats. Thank y'all.
6 figures or better should be the common motive. But y'all just trying to see change like Obama voters. Money ain't my only love, but it's the main goal. And I'ma get it, deal or no deal, like the game show. Will I succeed? That's rhetorical.